After a shutdown that spanned nearly 2 months, certain regions across the tri-state area are preparing to reopen in just a few days. But a warning from the nation's leading infectious disease specialist, Dr. Anthony Fauci. He says reopening too soon could cause serious repercussions. CBS News' John Diaz joins us live from Times Square with more on this story. John.
Yeah, good morning, Mary, to you. And Dr. Anthony Fauci is urging cities and states to listen to the government's guidelines on when and how to reopen, saying if they do not listen, there could be more outbreaks of COVID-19.
It's a multi-billion-dollar crucial question facing businesses and communities across the country grappling with uncertain futures due to the coronavirus. When can we reopen? But yesterday, the nation's leading infectious disease specialist warned against loosening restrictions too soon.
There is a real risk that you will trigger an outbreak that you may not be able to control.
Dr. Anthony Fauci testified before Congress remotely. He says states and cities risk further outbreaks if they open too soon. That came with a challenge from Kentucky Republican Rand Paul.
I think we ought to have a little bit of humility in our belief that we know what's best for the economy. And as much as I respect you, Dr. Fauci, I don't think you're the end all.
I have never made myself out to be the end all. I don't give advice about economic things. I don't give advice about anything other than public health.
Fauci says the virus is still not contained. In fact, a new FEMA report found infectious rates soared by 70% earlier this month in cities like Des Moines, Iowa, and Nashville, Tennessee, where businesses just came back. And check out this packed restaurant in Arizona, full of college graduates just coming from their virtual ceremony. It's this refusal to social distance that could cause spikes in the deadly illness.
We don't know everything about this virus, and we really better be very careful, particularly when it comes to children.
And now Dr. Fauci did say the hope is that there will be a vaccine by late fall or early winter, but not in time for September, raising more questions about this school year. We are live this morning in Times Square. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.